Garage door mic, here it is, 30 by 14 with 4 or 5 feet of high lift, 1 speed. This was a beast job. We were here all day. Look at those honkers up there, man. Door did get hit once. Thing is an absolute beast. You want to try the photo eyes, make sure those are working. You think the limits need to be adjusted? You want me to close it? I'm going to see if them photo eyes work real quick. Yep, we're good. Go to the outside here. This is an absolute moving wall. Nice truck. There it is, 30 by 14. This thing is an absolute beast. Wow. For all your commercial spring jobs, Innovative Garage Door, 630-271-9343, www.innovativedoor.com. Like us on Facebook, we'll like you. Thanks for watching all the videos. Thanks for subscribing. Without you, it don't happen. There it is. Absolute beast of a door, beast of a job. Here all day with 4 guys. 2 lifts. And lots of stuff. Thank you for watching, and as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thank you.